In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ZArchiver App Not Responding error. If you're experiencing this constantly, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, look for apps option. Here it is. Tap on it and look for manage apps or all apps. This will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, search for your app. Tap on it to open. From here, first go to force stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. Then clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone and then make sure that you are not using any VPN app on your phone, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. You also want to go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your ZArchiver app and see if we have any update. Update your app to the latest version. Now once you are done with this, if you open your app, now you shouldn't get any error. Grant permission for your app to start working normally. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.